Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. If you didn't see previous sessions, please click on its link that will appear above. In this session, we will learn how to make a simple calculator application. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Then select Start New Project. Now let's enter project name. We will call our project MyCalculator. Please enter MyCalculator in the project name and press OK. Now, you can see the home of your project. A blank screen will appear. Here we will make the design of our application. Now, let's change our screen title. At the right side, you can find Screen Properties. Go to Title Property, and change its value to MyCalculator. Also, let's change Background Color property to light gray. Now we will add a label to our screen. From left side palette, select Label. Drag it into your screen. Go to Properties, and select Text property. Change its value to enter first number. Now we will add a text box to our screen, to get first number. From left side palette, select Text box. Drag it into your screen. Now we will add a new component called List Picker. List Picker can display a list of items to user. User will select one item from the list. We will use List Picker to choose between calculator operations, plus, minus, multiply and divide. From left side palette, select List Picker. Drag it into your screen. Now, we need to change the list items to be displayed in List Picker. Select List Picker from the screen. In right side Properties, select Elements from String. Change its value as displayed with calculator operations separated by a comma. Now we will change the default text of List Picker. From right side Properties. For List Picker 1, select Text. Change its value to select Operation. Now we will add a label to our screen, for second number. From left side palette, select Label. Drag it into your screen. Go to Properties, and select Text property. Change its value to enter second number. Now we will add a text box to our screen, to get second number. From left side palette, select Text box. Drag it into your screen. Now we need to add a button, to perform calculation. From left side palette, select Button. Drag it into your screen. Now we will add a text box to our screen, to display result. From left side palette, select Text box. Drag it into your screen. Now, we are ready to make our blocks. Let's start programming. From Blocks screen, select Variables. Select Initialize Global Variable. Drag it to your Blocks screen. Rename variable to X. Now, we need to initialize it to 0. From left side Blocks, select Math, then select First Item. Drag it to be the value for variable X. From Blocks screen, select Variables. Select Initialize Global Variable. Drag it to your Blocks screen. Rename variable to Y. Now, we need to initialize it to 0 also. From left side Blocks, select Math, then select First Item. Drag it to be the value for variable Y. Now, we need to add button click event. Button click will fire when the user clicks Calculate button. From left side Blocks, select button 1. Then select button 1. Click event. Then drag it to Blocks white area. Now, we need to read first number input from text box. From left side Blocks, select Variables, then select Set Variable. Choose X in Set Variable drop down. Drag Set X to into button 1. Click event. Now, we need to get the text box input value. From left side Blocks select text box 1, then select text box 1. Text. Drag it as value for set X value. Now we will do the same for variable Y. From left side Blocks, select Variables, then select Set Variable. Choose Y in Set Variable drop down. Drag Set Y to into button 1. Click event. Now, we need to get the text box input value. From left side Blocks select text box 2, then select text box 2. Text. Drag it as value for set Y value. Now, let's add a new variable for result value. From Blocks screen, select Variables. Select Initialize Global Variable. Drag it to your Blocks screen. Rename variable to Result. Now, we need to initialize it to 0 also. From left side Blocks, select Math, then select First Item. Drag it to be the value for variable result. Now let's add event for list picker to choose calculator operation. From left side Blocks, select list picker 1. Select after picking event which fires after the user makes a selection of list picker. Drag it to Blocks white area. Now we need to change the text value of list picker. From left side Blocks, select list picker 1. Then select Set List Picker 1. Text. Drag it under after picking event. Again select list picker 1, then select list picker 1. Selection. Drag it as value for set list picker 1. Text. Now we will use a condition. From left side Blocks, select Control. Select If Then block. Drag it under button 1. Click event. From left side blocks, select logic. Then select equal operation. Drag it as parameter for if condition. From left side blocks, select list picker 1.selection, drag it as first parameter for equal operation. Then select text, and drag empty text as second parameter. Change its value to plus. Now, from left side blocks select variables. Select set variable, and select result from drop down. Then drag it under then block. Now let's add addition operation. From left side blocks, select math, then select addition. Drag it as parameter to set result variable. Now, we will set addition operation parameters. From left side blocks select variables. Select get variable, and select X from drop down. Drag it as first parameter to addition operation. Again select get variable, and select Y from drop down. Drag it as second parameter to addition operation. Now, one more step is pending. To display result in result text box. From left side blocks, select text box 3. Then select set text box 3.text. Drag it under button 1 click event. Then from left side blocks, select variables. And select get variable, and select result from drop down. Drag it as parameter for set text box 3.text. You can now other operators yourself. Minus, multiply, and divide. Now, we are done with our application. Let's run it and enjoy your calculator. From your browser, select Connect. Then select AI Companion. A QR code will appear. From your mobile phone, run AI2 Companion. Select Scan QR code, and scan the QR code on your screen. Now your application will appear on your device, and you can run it and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next sessions. If you like this video, I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.